are doing good. So right now we will be talking about Python keyword arguments. Okay. So this is also known as quarks. So let me just first make a new file of Python, and I'll just write down keyword arguments. So this is my Python file. Over here, when we call a function with some values, these values get assigned to the argument according to their position. Okay. For example, in this function, what did we do? We have this name, Simran, and this message, or you can say the wish over here, right? So it get assigned to the name and the wishes, right? So Python allows the function to be called using keyword arguments as well. When we call functions in this way, the order or the position can be changed. Right now it's not changing, but if we talk about this, it can definitely change. Let's see what am I talking about. So let me just first quickly take something like def. Let me actually just bring the previous one back over here. Okay, so over here, let me just quickly run this and check. It works cool. So if I write this name also as nobody, okay, and let me just wish, and let me just run. Hello, nobody, have a great day. It's telling you. Okay, so it works fine. We know now about all, like if it is 2, if it is none, if it is 1, how it will work. Now, as you can see, we can have mixed positional arguments 1, 2, 3 as we want, but we must keep this in our mind that keyword argument must follow the positional argument. What do I mean by that? Having a positional argument after keyword argument will result in an error. Like if you write something like this, okay, over here I'm writing down just the name. Okay, have a look. This is trying to figure out what am I doing over here. This both belongs to name or what, if it belongs to wishes, it's just confused. Okay, so if I just try to run this, it'll say that positional argument follows keyword argument. So it's not exactly understanding what we mean. Okay, so now this was about a little in keyword argument. Now if I talk about the arbitrary argument, okay, sometimes we do not know in advance the number of arguments that we will be passing into the function, and Python allows us to handle this kind of situation through the function definition. We use asterisks before the parameters name and denote this kind of argument. Now, let me just quickly take an example for you over here itself. So, I'll just take away this part. Okay. And I'll write down, I'll remove this as well. And we don't need wishes anymore. Okay, cool. And let me remove this as well. And let me just add an asterisk over here. Okay, so this, let's see the magic of this. All right. And I'll just simply do one small thing over here, that is for name in names. Let me write this down as names. Okay, print name. Okay, now let me just create a small wish list. Actually not a list, but okay. Simran, Dolly, Ankit, Akshat, Dishant. So these are different names. Okay, let me add a few more names. Let's say I'll add Rohit. Okay, let it be this much. Okay, if I right click over here and run this, have a look. Hello Simran, hello Dolly, hello Ankit, Akshat, hello Dishant, hello Rohit. Okay, so this is using this, and we are just saying hello to everyone in the list over here. That's why I said the wish list. This is not exactly a list, so please do not go by word over here. The word list is not that Python list. Okay, so now, yeah, you can actually say that this is a list if you properly write down A is equal to that, the whole list, and then you work with it. You can try it out definitely. So we have called the function multiple times in the arguments. These arguments get wrapped up into the tuple before being passed into the function. Inside the function, we use the for loop to retrieve all the arguments back. And let it be this much for the functions. These were so many things over here. We would be definitely doing few practice problems in functions after this session. So this is the base which you need to know about function, all the rules which I have covered and everything. So try practicing all of these. We will be doing few problem solving questions later in the course related to functions. So that's it for the day. Let's meet on the next day, next video, and let's learn more. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Let's meet in the next video.